Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Crate, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge targeted for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education, video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. Requirement for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We are put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read it carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we will teach leg action. Wait, put that leg step out. And then, look, that leg step out 2 legs with 1 flat. And that leg only big toe touch floor. And wait, still hold that leg. And then move back. 2 legs form T shape. And then wait, move to that leg step out. And also, just the big toe touch floor, 2 legs is 1 flat. And then wait, still hold that leg, then that leg move back. 2 legs form T shape. That's for total leg actions. So now we do 2 times leg actions. Very good. The 2 legs form T shape and as close as possible. The 2 legs. Between 2 legs, no distance. As close as possible. Okay, we do 2 legs. We do leg action 2 times again. Very good. Now, we will teach hand action. The hand action has 2 different action. First action, that's like a read, start for shoulder high. That's like as close as body. And then switch. That's like as close as body. That's like shoulder high. Then that's like little high. Then little high. Finally, ear side. Finger close straight. That's palm as close as body. Yes. So now we do 2 times, do 10 times about the leg action, first kind of leg action. We need to count, use the two kind different language. In here, we choose English Han. Somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can use English, Spanish. Yes. Somebody asked, why should we choose two kind of language? Good question. Because we need to protect our check lung. Because our check lung need to do everyday exercise. So we need two kind different language to count, protect our check lung, far away bronchitis, various pandemic, lung disease, and even lung cancer and many diseases. So now we do 10 times about the first kind leg action, first kind hand action. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Very good. Now we connect first kind hand action and the leg action. Connect 10 times either. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Very good. Now we will teach second kind hand action. Just turn, also straight finger. Just turn palm inside. As close as body. That's like start from shoulder high and switch and return. Finally, start from top down. Very good. Now we do 10 times from second hand action and count. Use two kind of language. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now we connect leg action and hand action about two kind hand action. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Very good. Now we connect leg and two kind hand action, and also we count, eyes look straight, smiling face. The head is think how can make our action correct. Make yourself busy, right? Every part, your body, every part action move. Okay, now we total do 20 times. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Excellent. Do the action couple things we must know. Number 1, the feet touch floor. Lightly cannot make any sound. Number 2, the step out. They leg, this leg, only big toe touch floor. No weight. You cannot wait. Okay? No weight. Just big toe touch floor. Enough. Cannot hold toe. Yes. Just big toe. The 2 leg stand with the t-shirt as close as, no space between the 2 legs, no distance, as close as possible. Number 3, keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 4, the hand in the button as close as body. And raise this hand. Start shoulder high. Cannot start here. No. And cannot do that way. Only one way, ear side. With body one flat. Cannot do that. That's only one way. Yes. Okay. So everybody follow me to do 20 times. With a count, smiling face, eyes look straight. They think, make correct action. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Wonderful. Do the action should slowly, cannot make fast. The reason is you should make your action every is correct. Position is correct. If you make fast, sometimes you make a mistake. That is where affect efficient. So must slowly and make every action correct. Learn correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. You can change your life, and you can change your health, and you easily got health far away from pandemic, bronchitis, and many diseases. You really can enjoy your wonderful life